So let's add a smile to this beautiful dragonfly. First of all, select the 2 points where you wanted the smile to be. Like here to here, here to here. So for me, it's this point here and then this point here. And then you can choose to make it kind of like V. Or just a regular smile. And then take your yarn, thread the needle. And then go either into one of these points. So either here or here. So I'm going to insert from this side here. And then into the first point here. Leave a little bit of tail. And then go to the second point here. So what I'm going to do is turn it around and then find the middle point. So my middle point is kind of above here. So what I'm going to do is just insert. Go to the second point here. Don't pull it too hard if you like it that way. You could keep it this way as well, or just go in. So this is for if you like the V shape. And then you go into the same position here. And then come out this one right here. So if you're happy with it, you can just make a knot here, and then weave in the ends, and then make a knot. Then make another knot. Cut the yarn and just push this one in. I have used the same technique on most of my plushies as in the next pics. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.